what's happening, right? Okay, so right now, this is on a hard-coated material that has a name error. Okay, what? Let me check. Is this something I did, or? Now, what material should be in here? Well, but like, what's the core thickness? 3/4? Okay, so it should be 3/4 with PL1 on it. Okay. So now, because yours is a little unique here, oops. Okay, what material should be on there? PL1. So this one here? Okay. Okay. So let's just do this. Hang on a minute. I don't know what that's called. Lookup table, cabinet body materials. Oops. Yeah, I screwed that up now. No worries. That one there? Okay. Throw it up there. Yep. So right now you have selected PL1, right? Okay. So yeah, that should be good. So now let's just do a quick little beta test here. So here's our local, here's our wizard. Okay. So this guy here, we're just going to switch to PL2. And then when I hit enter, we should see that change. No, I'm on the wrong one. I'm sorry. This guy. So this should say PL2. Okay, so now we know we're working right. Switch it back. I'm not going to save the wizard, just for shits and giggles. So now that should be fine here. Was it this item number here? All right. So that's base scribe filler, right? Okay, so see, this one has a different thing in here. We were just in an upper filler. So it's the 108 is wrong. So what is the name here? I mean, I just manually did it, but I want to make sure we're working right. That's correct. Each of this negative material is not here. Yeah, that's not here. That's why it's not working. So let's just pop in and grab that. Describe. Now, apparently we put a threshold in here. Negative material threshold, we got set at 3 inches. Okay, so then we'll add it to here as well. Oh, Jesus, come on. The mouse is jumpy. Come on, there you go. Okay, so it'll be the same deal here. So now this should be fine. What happened to it? There it is. So that's the correct one. Okay, so now we can just save this back. Is that what you got in here? Yep, so now let's just save this back to the library. Okay, let's take a cheek. 8. Okay, so there's a lot of hidden stuff in here. Okay, so is the top material going to be the same material as the filler material? It's all the same, okay. So I'll just copy that. Bottom, top. What is this? Filler buildup. Okay, and then we don't care about the cleats, right? Okay. Okay. It look. Yeah. That looks good though. Okay. So then let's save this back then. No, I think somebody stomped on it. Yeah. Draw products. And where'd you grab it from? Fillers? Yeah. Okay. All right. So for the rest of them, or I don't know if you have any other one. So you get one of the others fine. Yeah. Yeah. Just rebuild it from the library. Now that we saved it back. All right. Well, that was easy. Well, I appreciate that. Well, I can slow my roll a little bit. No worries. No problem. Talk to you soon.